my channel. In today's video, it's just a little bit different. We're going to talk about essential oils and the wonderful world of essential oils. So I hope you stick around to the end because I hope this is going to be a great introduction for you to get started this new year on healthy, holistic living and whatnot. So I know essential oils can be very intimidating, but I feel that they're intimidating because a lot of times we just don't know what to do with them. We think that we should diffuse them and that's it. Buy a few oils, diffuse them, and then maybe we get stagnant, and then after a couple of weeks we decide not to diffuse, and then there's a bunch of essential oils on our shelf that we no longer find a use for. I'm here today, I'm going to tell you my top oils to use maybe this coming year and some great uses you can use with them and the many benefits. I, just like you, have been intimidated for a long time. I'm still kind of a little intimidated by essential oils because there's so much to learn and so many uses for essential oils. One of the big things that I strive through the years, especially having a family, is healthy, natural living. I want to have non-toxic things in my home, from my food to my cleaning products to my beauty and health care. And I search high and low for affordable things to bring into my home that's going to be beneficial to my family. And it's really hard to find things that are very inexpensive and beneficial to your family and give you that clean, organic living without breaking the bank. I found that using essential oils can help with cost, and they're so versatile. They can help with so many aspects in your home, such as cleaning and beauty and health. So after much research, trial and error, I have discovered ways to use essential oils daily, from beauty and health to making my house smell good, to getting a little bit more sleep at night, even to cooking. Good essential oils come from plants and flowers. They're derived from that. The oils are pulled from that, extracted from that, to come into or be put into these tiny little bottles, and they are so concentrated that they go so far, and they're very beneficial. What works for me and may not work for you. So for example, I love peppermint for boosting up my energy, to help with migraines, but they may not be beneficial to you in that aspect. They may be an awesome, amazing smell to diffuse at Christmas time that gives you all the comforts of home and joy. So there are millions, I feel like millions of bottles of essential oils out there, and that can be intimidating. But today I'm going to share just a few for you to get started and give you all of the benefits, such as deodorizing, such as disinfecting. They also are antiviral. They can help with that. Antidepressant, a sedative, help with digestion. There's so many things. I'm looking off my list because I don't want to forget anything. There's so many great things with the bottles that I'm going to share today. Just like anything, using essential oils is a habit. It's something that you're going to have to create daily. You're going to have to decide to be proactive in your life to create a healthy lifestyle in your home. So this is something that you're going to have to think about daily. How can I use essential oils in my beauty? How can I use it in my hair care or my skin care? How can I use it in my health, such as for depression and insomnia? How can I use it in my cleaning products, such as cleaning my windows and my floor? How can I use it in cooking, such as making lavender lemonade? Know that essential oils can be diffused, so you can use it aromatherapy with essential oils. You can digest some essential oils. You can also put it on topically with a carrier oil, such as olive oil, or you can also use coconut oil, just different oils like that. I'm not going to tell you one brand is better than the other, but I am going to tell you, make sure you know where your essential oils are sourced. Make sure they're sourced in a clean, natural environment, free from pesticides and herbicides, free from toxic ingredients, and they're very safe. So when they are pulled and extracted from those flowers and plants, they have no extra ingredients that are going to be toxic to your family. Here's the good part. This is the oils I'm going to talk about that I want you to get started with in the new year. The first is lavender. Everybody knows about the lavender essential oil. This oil is famous and it's so versatile. It's very calming. It's a beautiful fragrance. It does so many wonderful things. I make a serum for my eyelashes and hair growth. I use it on a pillow spray to comfort and wind me down at the end of the night. And like I said, I've also made a lavender lemonade. This essential oil is beautiful. It relaxes and calms. Now, this oil, like I said before in the beginning of the video, works well for others and maybe not other people. So for example, when I say calm and relaxing, it calms and relaxes the majority of my family, but it does not do that for me. It actually gets my mind going to create. It calms it down in a sense where I'm able to create and give off good energy to be able to do the things I want to do. It doesn't make me sleepy or drowsy, but it does that for my family. So that's one way where some oils work for some people differently than others. So, but I do love this oil. I love the beautiful smell. So good. And I love diffusing it with other oils to make my house smell wonderful. So this is a great oil to get this year. Okay, my next essential oil that you need to get this year is peppermint. I love peppermint for a lot of different things. I like to clean with peppermint. Yes, it does have that minty fragrance that gives the memories of Christmas, but I also like it in a peppermint hot chocolate. I also like to put some of this on my temples and the back of my neck when I have tension headaches or any type of headache. I find this oil to be very inspiring and uplifting and gives me a lot of energy. It also helps clean sinuses out and congestion. My husband does not like this oil because it's very strong. It's a little too much for him, but for me, the more the better. I also like to use this oil after a long workout. I mix it with a carrier oil, and then I like to rub it on any sore muscles or joints or bones because it helps to soothe it a little bit. So there's many benefits of peppermint. I highly recommend getting this oil on your shelf today. The next oil that you need on your shelf is frankincense. Yes, this is the oil from the Bible, but it does so many wonderful things. Not just help you get in touch with your emotional and spiritual well-being, but this oil gives a lot of emotional support. It helps with depression, and it also helps with wrinkles. So I like to put this in my face cream to help with any premature wrinkles that I may have. It helps with stimulating hair growth. It helps with insomnia. It does a lot of different things. I highly recommend this oil. I don't cook with this oil a lot, but I do use this oil a lot in the home for emotional and depression and stability. So emotional balance for sure is my frankincense. And I like to diffuse this or put a droplet in on my skin right before I go to church service. It just helps me just to calm everything down and to get in touch with my spirituality. I love that oil. It's a beautiful oil. You can diffuse it with some of the other oils, especially this time of year or even throughout the year, like on Sundays or a couple days during the week when you're working on a project and you just want that emotional support. The next oil is cedarwood. I love this oil. I love to diffuse it a lot in the evenings with lavender because this oil, just like frankincense, gives a lot of emotional support, helps with anxiety and depression. So maybe frankincense won't work for you, but cedarwood will. Also, these two oils can help with insomnia and help with sleep and relaxation, so I like that. Also, this oil is great, just like frankincense, for cell regeneration. So it helps with a lot of wrinkles and hair growth. I use this in a serum for my eyelashes to help them grow with the lavender. So I mix these two together with castor oil and it makes a great, wonderful serum. So if you want to know about that serum a little bit more, let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure I do a video for you so you can have information on that. I like to use this for acne. It calms the acne down. It calms any impurities in the skin down or anything that is inflamed on your skin. So this is just a wonderful, wonderful oil. I diffuse it. I don't really cook with it a whole lot, but I do like to diffuse it and use it in a lot of beauty and healthcare items. All right, one of my favorite oils that you need to have on your shelf is lemon. I love to cook with lemon, but I also love to clean with lemon a lot. This oil is just like it should be. It's a great oil for detoxifying. So a drop in your water can help detoxify and flavor your water. Also, this oil is great for cleaning. It shines, it disinfects, it also gets grease off. So if you have a sticky surface that you can't get off, even if you buy like something from the store that has a little price sticker on it, this oil is great. Just a little drop, it comes right off. It's like a little Goo Gone in a little bottle. It helps get grease off on the stove. It helps get grease off in your microwave, any stubborn stains and things like that. I like to use this oil on my glass to help shine it up and clean it up. It deodorizes. It's a beautiful oil, smells amazing. Oh, I love lemon. It's just a wonderful oil. It's very invigorating, like peppermint. It gives you energy and gives you encouragement, inspiration. It's a great oil to diffuse as well if you want that fresh, crisp, energetic smell. It's just a wonderful oil. I can't stress it enough. I love this oil, lemon essential oil. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to touch on tea tree. And I don't really cook with tea tree, but I do clean with tea tree. I use it not only for cleaning, I also use it for beauty care and health care as well. This oil disinfects, it kills fungus, it kills bacteria and viruses. I use it in a lot of cleaning products, such as cleaning my sink out after, a long day of cooking and cleaning in there. I'll use this to disinfect it. I'll use it to disinfect my bathroom and areas. A little bit goes a long way. I use this on my floors to disinfect my floors after they've been muddy after my dogs. I put it in a spray bottle and use it as an antibacterial, anti-surface or a surface spray. This is a great oil. This oil also helps with acne. It's a great oil for that. It helps clean out wounds. Now, I do recommend never taking an oil and putting it straight on your skin or anything like that, scars. And that's frankincense is great for scars too as well. I do recommend using a carrier oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, any of those oils, and mixing this. And then some of these oils, just like anything in life, can be sensitive to you. So it may not be sensitive to me, but it may be sensitive to you. So just be mindful of that when you use these oils. But all of these oils are wonderful. Lavender, lemon, cedarwood, peppermint, frankincense, tea tree. There's a huge variety of essential oils out there, but those are the ones that I want you to get started right now using today in your life this year. They're just great oils. You may be asking, how can I get started with essential oils? Should I just go to Walmart or my local pharmacy to pick them up? You can, but like I said, do your research on that. See what is going to be best for your family. See which oils are safe and pure and 100% therapeutic. Now, I can tell you what oils I use and help you get started. And if you would like to get started with it, down below, I have a link where you can get started. And it's very simple. I walk you through the steps on how to get started, how to sign up and get these oils to your house. And if you have any questions about getting started with the oils that I use, let me know in the comments below. I'll share any information I have with you. I'll be there to support you, help you through them, to learn and grow with them. I have many resources on my blog, which is down below, and there's a whole blog post on what I talked about today. So if you want it in a written form, that will be all published for you down below. And that's all on my website, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. And like I said, you can get started. It's so simple that all of these oils are included in the starter kit that you can get started with, and it walks you through. There's a pamphlet in there, walks you through all of the things you need to know on how to get started with them, how to use them, how to diffuse them, how to use them topically, all of the goodness with them, even how to cook with them. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want more essential oil videos from me, DIYs, give me a thumbs up. I hope this video inspires you, encourages you to get healthy this year, to bring health and wellness into your home, to find affordable ways to do it. Like I said, you can make a spray bottle, a glass cleaner with this lemon essential oil, and it only takes a few drops and you can make a huge bottle with it, and this will last you for months on end with cleaning in your home. So I highly recommend getting started with essential oils, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. So long.